What's up, Techies? Spencer here with another unboxing, and today we have something that is going to make my computer setup look even better. So I ordered me some LEDs, specifically the NZXT Hue LEDs, which are in this bad boy right here. So I'm really excited to get these out and to get these hooked up in my system. I'm trying to get it looking nice. I got sleeving for my cables. I cut out a side panel window, and to top it off, I am now going to install these LEDs. So let's get this bad boy open and see how they look. Oh yeah. Best part of unboxing is cutting the tape. Oh god. Oh god. Alright. Bubbles. Get out of here. Oh, it's tiny. I thought it was a dual what the fuck do you call them? A dual drive bay mount. But it is a single drive bay mount. This guy actually goes into an optical drive 5¼ inch space. It has 3 dials, a red, green, and blue to adjust the lighting. Now this is a RGB LED setup, which has about 16 point whatever million different color combinations you can do. The primary color that I want this for is white. So you're probably like, oh Spencer, why'd you spend like $40 on something that can give you 16 million colors when all you want is white? I don't know, because I like options. So it's good to have options. But this guy, NZXT Hue RGB LED controller. It's got the, like I said, red, green, blue dials. One is for the brightness, one is for the power, and then one is for the mode. So not only can you turn the dials, but you can also press them in, and they, like I said, change the brightness, power, and change the LEDs to do different modes. So on the back of this bad boy, we have some instructions. I don't know if you can see that. I apologize. See if I can, zoom in a little bit. Focus. So, can you see that? I hope, maybe. There you go. I can't see it very well, but I'll try to read upside down. So, 3 RGB controllers to adjust the color settings, brightness level, and pulse speeds of the internal LED sleeve. On and off mode to completely disable the LEDs. Effect mode, normal flashing, normal fading, flashing, and pulsing of the colors. Internal LED sleeve that man, it's hard to read this upside down. Vibrantly illuminates and accents your chassis based on your liking. Unique mesh style design that blends flawlessly into any chassis with a mesh front panel. So it is for a 5¼ ODD bay, optical disc drive bay. The color is black. It is a steel mesh and plastic. The connection is a SATA power, so instead of a Molex, it uses SATA. It is a 2-meter length with 24 RGB LEDs. The controls are dials. The brightness level is 5, so it has 5 brightness levels. And modes, 5 modes as well: normal, fading, flashing, color fading, and color flashing. So let's open up the actual box here. Get the plastic out. There we go. And let me zoom back out for you guys. I apologize. There we go. And then fix the focus. Sorry, my lens is horrible and makes an awful noise when it's on autofocus. So here's a little tab here. Cut that. There we go. And let's open. So right off the bat, we got some instructions, which are always good. Everybody needs instructions. So if you don't follow instructions, then things can get broken easily. And we don't want the new toys to get broken. So we'll figure that out later, set that aside for right now. Warranty card, of course. Who needs that? The LEDs themselves, now this is again a 2-meter LED strip. So you got 24 LEDs on this bad boy. It does have adhesive, 3mm adhesive on it, so you can stick it to the side panel, wherever you want to, and they will operate. You also have some hardware screws to screw in the actual controller into the optical drive, and you have the actual controller itself with the SATA power cable, as well as, what is this? A 4-pin. Oh, this is the 4-pin plug that you plug into the LEDs themselves. And then your dials. So you got the red dial, the blue dial, and the green dial, and they all push. So change the modes, power them on, and change the brightness. And it has this lovely plastic metal looking mesh, and along with a brushed plastic looking finish. So great product overall. I will get it installed. I'll turn on the LEDs real quick so you guys can see how bright they are. And yeah, I'll get this installed in my case and we'll see how it looks. So 1 second, guys. Alright, so I got these bad boys plugged in. SATA connector here, and the power for the LEDs goes right here. So let's turn this bad boy on. The middle button, the green button, is for the power. You just hold it down and boom. So pretty bright lights. Right now it's on like a bluish green, I guess, like a teal type color. So pretty bright. I'm not sure what brightness this is on, but let's check here. So the red dial is for the brightness. Oh, and also you can, whatever color you have set to the LEDs is the color that's on the front here. So you got 2 colors right here, and those also change colors along with the LEDs that are in the case. So let's check the brightness settings. I'm guessing this is low. So we'll do next step, 1, and I believe that is 5, and then back down. So 5 steps. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these things get pretty bright. So I'll turn the light off and show you guys how bright these babies are in a second. But I just want to go through the different modes here. So we'll leave it at the brightest setting. And the mode button is the blue button. So if we just press this guy, you got your strobe effect. This is your pulsing effect with the single color. Then you have the flashing different color effect. And then the final mode is the fading through the different colors. So, like I said, 16.7 or whatever million different colors this baby can go. So, have fun, pick a color, you know, it can do whatever you need it to do. So, we'll go back to the blue, and if we turn these dials here, let's see, so this is green, so I'm turning green all the way down, and I'm going to turn blue, or I guess I'm turning them all the way up. So that's all the way up, and turn red all the way up. I believe that's all the way up for all of them. And you get a white. So that's the color I want, and that is a bright white. So if we turn, let's see, we'll turn green all the way down here. Maybe that's all the way up. I don't know. But that is a bright green. So yeah. So with all of them off, down, it's white. So this is green all the way up. Then we'll turn blue all the way up. Or down. I don't know which way this is going. Maybe this is down, because now it's all just red. So red, and then we'll turn that, and then they just kind of turn off. So, okay, so this is all the way down. White was all the way up with every color. So, yeah, and then you can just kind of mix and match. So now you got that cool little purple with just a little bit of red and blue here. Or, I'm sorry, red and, is that green? Red and green. Red and blue? Red and blue. I don't know, I can't see. But yeah, you just kind of play around with it, put some blue in there, So yeah, it's fun. So I can't wait to get this bad boy set up in the case, and I will give you guys a little preview of how it looks. Let me go turn the lights off real quick, and we'll go over the different brightness settings again to see how they look in the dark. Alright, so this is kind of how this looks in the dark. This is the highest setting of brightness. So if we turn it down, that's all the way 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these things are pretty bright, and they're going to look awesome in your case, and they will definitely illuminate the components up, and it'll make it look all nice and pretty. So that's that. Let me turn the lights back on real quick. Alright, so that was a quick unboxing and overview of the NZXT Hue RGB LED controller. Like I said, I will get this bad boy hooked up into my case within the next couple days. We'll see how it looks, and I'll do a final thoughts and review on the controller once I get it all hooked up. So thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments, questions in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you guys want to see anything else, just let me know. I'm always up for suggestions. Just leave, like I said, a comment in the comment section of what you guys want to see. Keep it on the lower side of things, because right now I'm a little short on money, but I will be glad to purchase, you know, anything, and do a little unboxing and do an overview review of it before you guys jump in and make the purchase yourself. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. If you are not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Peace out, Tekies.